I hope this thing is on and not too close to my face. Hello and good morning. Whoa. So we're doing a little apartment tour today. And since Sam is not in charge of the apartment, I'm gonna give the tour. All right, well, welcome. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, well, you walk in here, so nice. And then right when you walk in, you walk to the left and there's a bathroom.
Jared, no. Jared, you said I had 10 minutes.
Surprise, surprise, surprise. Well, 10 minutes is up. It's been 30.
You know, Kyle's gonna have to edit this out.
Hi, Kyle. All right, we'll go read a book until Sam is done. Well, I don't know what's going on here. I'm totally out of control of this gimbal.
You sound like my dad.
It's not working for me. I try to beep, boop, beep, and it's trying to flip. Ah! We're back. I'm so sorry. Unfortunately, Sam usually runs the camera. I refuse to learn. This is a book about 100 greatest trips that I got.
Just read a book. I'll be honest.
I'm reading to them. Where should we go? Rhode Island? I don't know. It looks fun. Anyone know how to tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca? I think alpacas are smaller. Sam, how long is this gonna take? What's going on in there? Oh, look who's back. We're taking a whole trip through Europe.
Move over.
No, you're fine. We can't even tell where it's pointed.
What are you even talking about right now?
We're just taking a trip through Europe. Look at this. Through Europe.
We want to talk about the apartment now?
Yes.
Your pride and joy?
Mm-hmm.
I will say, I had nothing to do with anything in this apartment. Nothing.
I would say you have veto power,
Sure.
but it's not a democracy.
Okay, you guys saw the bathroom already, so we're not doing that.
There's a bathtub in there. That's Sam's domain.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you walk in, we've got a nice little coat closet. Nah.
There's coats in there.
Mm-hmm.
We have our little, oh, it's still on me. We have our little dining nook over here, also known as my office. I just tap my computer there. We don't really eat here, but sometimes we do when we have people over. I just bought these branches. They're cherry blossoms. I bought twice as many as that, unfortunately, and can only fit this many, so. The rest of them are hiding in the kitchen, so I'm gonna go move them.
Oh my god.
So if anyone wants extra cherry blossoms, come into my kitchen. Oh, Sam and I both have lockers because we have a lot to store.
You know, you need a lot of storage in New York City. And Jared wanted a pair because I bought one, and then he's like, yeah, we'll make it symmetrical.
Yeah. There was junk in that corner, and now it's gone. This is our kitchen. We have family photographs here. Look at all that.
So happy people. You know what? Now that I look at this, it's all still my family photographs.
Yeah, I knew that. That was not news to me.
We do love to cook, and it does its job for us.
Yep. It has a window. Oh, come look at the window.
Oh, yeah.
This is one of Sam and I's disagreements. I would love to open this window. It's very, as you can see, it's quite large and would ventilate the kitchen. I think you're supposed to store alcohol here, but we don't really drink, so we have bottles to reflect light. But Sam is afraid pigeons will come in.
Well, tell them about what happened when we used to keep it open.
You make it seem like pigeons came in. There was a couple little baby feathers.
Everywhere.
No.
They were everywhere.
They were not. This is our living space. The new lamp I bought, I'm very proud of her. We haven't named her yet, but she's quite pleased.
Oh, there are the extra cherry blossoms again.
Oh, they're hiding. What more to say? This is where we do the living.
Oh, let's talk about these.
Great. So Sam and I knew we had a lot of books, and we have a lot of books, and some of them are still just hiding places. They're not even up here yet, but we knew we needed storage, and this apartment didn't come with any shelves. So we went to Long Island, and he found someone who had just cut down walnut trees. And this was originally one board. It was like this wide, if you can imagine. They cut it down the middle. And then Sam and I refinished them over the course of like a whole day. Sanded it down from like the bark. And then oiled them, and Sam's parents came all the way here to help us put up the shelves because they're very heavy. I would say they're probably 50 pounds each, and I do not exaggerate, and then we put on top of them, so.
We're like a little nervous that they're gonna fall down at some point. So far, so good. The first night that we put them up, I actually slept on the couch because my parents were staying here, and I was terrified. I woke up like 3 times thinking that they were just like gonna crash down on me. So.
This is our pride and joy as well. We built these shelves with Sam's parents, and it's more of our books. Sam and I accidentally won this painting at an auction.
It's actually funny because my dad like loves to make industrial pipe furniture. And so he also made this lamp, and he just loves a little handy project. So he came with the wood and with the industrial pipe, and we're just like, okay, we'll make it.
Ooh, we should ask the people. We're torn. I think we should hang the art.
Oh, good question.
A la this. Sam thinks it should lean. So weigh in.
You know, it'd be cool if we could have like a little light underneath that. Yeah, and it was hung.
Yeah.
But when it's so far back, like...
The goal is to hang it and then put something underneath here. Oh, also, we should mention, bonus, you have to count how many critters you can find in the house because we do love a creature. This is a creature I used to practice my lines. It's a sloth. I talk to it. This moose, my friend Zach gave me from Alaska. That reminds me of my family because we love giraffes. Thanks, Mom. All right. Come in. Oh, wait. Big reveal. Don't look.
Oh, yeah.
Greet
Exactly like
the day.
that.
That's what I do, everyone. This is our bedroom. It's very comfortable. It also gets a lot of light, which is why we're like, we must have it. But we did buy this from Kayo, which if you live in New York City is a bomb source for like really nice used furniture that they like make sure is in good condition. And
Yeah.
wait, show the people the tree.
Our ficus. We found her on the street.
It's my favorite tree, but I've been waking up not able to breathe at night like this.
I really thought he was dying last night. Like, truly. Are you okay?
But I think it's the tree. I think the tree is in, I was about to say the tree's in heat.
Not quite.
Kind of. I think it's having some pollen stuff. So I've been taking some allergy pills. Now it's pointed at nothing. This is the bed.
This is a bed, and we love a 2 duvet or a 2 blanket moment.
Oh, we're definitely a 2 blanket moment.
Yeah, I have pretty bad sleep anxiety, so having 2 duvets, so like I'm sure that I'm not gonna wake Jared up or that I'm gonna like take all of his blanket or whatever. Game changer. Me and my mom.
And then beautiful friends. This is the little baby bathroom with the shower. It's kind of my bathroom because I don't take baths.
Tiny little shower.
Yeah.
Very beachy in here.
Oh, I don't know that I would say beachy.
I look at like the stone.
Sure. I like to say, like we're traveling again, kind of south of France. You know what I mean? Let's pretend we're like waking up and we're like, oh, it's so tired. I'm very strong here.
Let's go bother
Say
Sam.
good morning, Sam. And Sam is usually there, tip-tapping at his computer. And he'll be here and he's like, good morning, my darling, or something. And then he goes like this. And then he goes. We built this desk as well with Sam's parents. Wild. Same tree. So this was all one tree, right?
Yeah.
And they, again, cut it down the middle and then we put the legs on. And I think we'll have these pieces for a long time. They're hefty.
In case you didn't know, we are very handy, you know, so.
I would say pretty handy. And then we got this couch because it's a pull-out and we can have friends
Yes.
and family stay. Well, we're not going to pull it out, but just trust.
No, but there she is. Oh, and then we've started curating this little wall. We've shown you this before.
Yeah, we just things we like. We love lions. We love cows.
We love Hillary Clinton.
I think that's it. Oh, and of course, the very important wall behind you, where all the work happens in this house.
Oh, yeah.
We had it white, and that didn't work, and then we painted it light blue, and that didn't work, and then we painted it dark blue, and it worked.
Y'all recognize this wall.
We've seen it before. We've seen Sam do a lot on it. Hopefully you've seen me do nothing on it, because that's where all my audition tapes are filmed, and if you've seen them, that means someone messed up.
And we've got some laundry in there, and that is literally amazing.
Yeah, it's been a life. I actually love doing laundry, so.
I'm happy that you love doing laundry.
Yes, because not to throw you under the bus, but you do not. And you will kind of forget.
Who loves doing laundry?
You want to tell them about Sassy and Frassy? What are their names?
Sassy and Fran.
Yeah.
So honestly, Sassy was looking really good, and now she's like kind of wilting a little bit, weighing on what I'm supposed to do. And then Fran is doing quite well. Honestly, in the middle of the night, they always wilt, and then during the day, they really get a lot better, so.
Drama, drama, drama. You're like, I didn't get sun for 8 hours. It's like, me too, bitch. I don't think there's anything. I think that was a pretty quick tour. We could have gone through everything, but.
But honestly, I mean, y'all keep on asking for this, but we do love it. Like, absolutely.
I'm obsessed with it.
We're also like so lucky that we were able to find a 2-bedroom, and the only reason we were able to is because of COVID.
Right, the market
Yeah.
crashed, I would say. Crashed. Yeah, it's been very fun to like build an apartment we know we're gonna stay at for a while.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
I think that's it. I think that's it for this apartment tour. Also, last thing I'll say is that I am truly so lucky because I don't have an eye to like
We'll
put
start
things
with the main issue.
together. I'm colorblind.
But you do really well.
I have some context clues that I use, but I have a really hard time like visualizing a space and like what it could look like. I'm really good at knowing like what I do and don't like. So if Jared like gives me choices and like puts things in front of me, I'm like, yes, I like that or I don't like that. But I'm so lucky because I basically have my own interior designer
That's true.
forever.
For now.
I was gonna say.
Now you have your own interior designer. That's what you meant. And I have my own health professional.
What was I gonna say?
I feel like you've dug yourself into a pit. No, it's good though. You're very good about knowing if you like something or not, which is huge.
I'm still thinking about what I was gonna say.
I think it's that you love me deeply.
I love you so much. And now I have an interior designer forever.
There we go. A proposal.
Okay, I want to tell you what was going on in my brain. I was gonna say forever, and then I was like, what if this is the proposal?
What do you mean, what if?
I know, and that's what I got for now.
So you scared yourself that you might accidentally propose? You were gonna surprise
Oh,
yourself?
see you later.
Lord have mercy.
Bye.